Welcome to a vibrant journey into the world of mangoes. Prepare to be amazed by the incredible diversity of mangoes. Mangoes are loved globally. Why? Let's find out. There's more to mangoes than you might know. Many varieties await. First up, we have the celebrated Alphonso mango. Known as the king of mangoes, Alphonso is from India. Alphonso offers a unique, sweet, rich flavor with a creamy texture. Next, let's talk about the widely available Tommy Atkins mango. Tommy Atkins is commonly found in many supermarkets. This mango is large, with a red and yellow skin. Let's explore the sweet and buttery Ataulfo, or honey, mango. Ataulfo is distinct with its small size and bright yellow skin. Known for its intense sweetness and minimal fiber, Ataulfo is a treat. Now we have the Keitt mango, a delight for late-season lovers. Keitt mangoes are available later in the season when others are gone. This variety is also appreciated for its good resistance to diseases. Lastly, let's look at the unique Keitt mango. Even when fully ripe, Keitt mangoes stay green. Keitt has moderate fiber content and a tangy sweet flavor. There's a whole world of mangoes to discover. From Alphonso's richness to Keitt's green skin, each mango is unique. Don't just stick to one type. Try them all and find your favorites.